Hi guys! Pakita ko lang yung last day ko sa work. So this was taken 3 weeks ago. That was on my last day before I go for maternity leave. So 35 weeks ako niyan, turning 36 in a few days. And currently I'm 38 weeks and turning 39 weeks in a few days. So anytime pwede na akong manganak. So yan sila yung mga ka-work ko, yung sister, charge nurse, at saka yung mga fellow renal nurses ko. Sa dialysis unit nga pala ako nag-work. So, ayan, medyo nakakapagod lang kasi ang bigat na ng tiyan ko, tas palakad-lakad for 12 hours. So, yan. Pero yun, mamimiss ko yung pagpasok sa work. And babalik nga pala ako sa work next year na. I applied for 1 year maternity leave. So,